Let's go over a quick example of a hard shut-off expansion valve. I have the high side open, I have the low side closed. I am only going to put pressure in the high side on the expansion valve. Open her up. There we go. We're putting in the pressure. Now you're starting to see this stay behind, but this is still climbing. You don't see that raising, do you? But you see this is climbing. That's a hard shut-off expansion valve. Crank it up a little more. Keep on going. You know how you have those guys tell you if it doesn't bleed over, that means the expansion valve is bad. It's supposed to bleed over real fast. I'm gonna shut it off here. Just kill the nitrogen, dry nitrogen. And there you go. Do you see it bleeding over real fast? No, that doesn't mean the expansion valve's clogged. That means it's a hard shut-off expansion valves. And some of them have different pressures at which they'll be different. Like you'll see some that hug to real close to just 100 PSI difference. So you'll see them, if you bring this up, this will come up a little bit within usually 100 PSI, somewhere plus or minus 10, 20 PSI. This goes up a little, that'll go up a little, and then it'll stop or slowly bleed down. Doesn't mean the expansion valve is bad. It just means it's a hard shut-off expansion valve, and this manufacturer does a really good job at it. All right, see you guys later. Some do more than other. Depends on how you test them and what pressures you use and what manufacturer manufactured the valve.